Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create tagged account on your mobile phone. Tagged is famous application used by people to meet with new people, dates and connect friends. To create tagged account, first you need to make sure that you install your tagged application through your Play Store. If you are using Android, you can download it through Apple Store if you are using your Apple. With that, now open your tagged application. After this, now here you can see the option of continue with the Google. You can tap on continue with Google. Then here you can see terms and conditions. Tap on accept terms. Then you can choose one of the Google account that you want to use. After this, you can continue with the further process so that you can create your tagged account using your Google. With this, you can also use other options. To do that, tap on other options option. Then here you can see you can continue with your Facebook account, your email address or your Apple ID. I am going on with email option. So tap on email. Then here you need to first enter the email address that you want to use to create your account. With that, now here you need to create a strong password by tapping on the password option. After that, you need to enter your name. Make sure you enter your full name or the name that you want to showcase on your account. After this, now enter the birthday. Then now here select your gender. Tap on your gender. Then here you need to select your ethnicity. To do that, tap on ethnicity option and select your ethnicity. With that, now here you need to enter your country. Tap on country option. And then here you can select your country, or you can also search your country by tapping on the search bar on the top right. With this, tap on your country. Now here you need to enter your zip code. Tap on zip code option, then enter your zip code. Now once viewed through tagged terms of service and privacy policy, as by clicking on create account you agree to those terms of service and privacy policy. With that, tap on create account. Now here you need to tap on accept terms so that you agree to terms of service and privacy policy of tagged account. With this, now here you'll be directed to another page. With this, now here you need to set up your profile. To do that, you need to enter a profile photo so that you can get better response. You can use your camera or pic from gallery, or you can also use Facebook photo. I'm going on with my camera option, so tap on use camera option. Then allow your mobile phone to access to your photos and gallery as well as camera. With that, now click your photo. After this, you can adjust the photo however you like. After adjusting your picture, now tap on tick icon on the top. After this, you need to verify your account. You can click on the link in the email that have been sent to the email address that you have used to create your account, or you can also enter your confirmation code. So once go through your mail application on your mobile phone, then look for the mail sent by tagged, then tap on the mail. With this, now here you can copy the confirmation code. If you have received the link, then you can tap on the link. After you copy the confirmation code, go back to your tagged application and enter the confirmation code. With that, tap on confirm option. If you have already verified your account, you can tap on I have already verified. If you didn't receive your confirmation email, then you can click on resend confirmation email. After you tap on confirm, then you'll be able to set up your account and your account will be verified as well. As you can see here, my account has been created and now I can use my tagged application. You can tap on the three lines on the top left and see your profile. This is how we can create tagged account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.